Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Chandran, and today I'm going to show you the lab of the day, which is lab 9. It's about how you create a notification on Android Studio. So what I have here is the main activity I had from here, and then you use the time picker, and then I'm going to show you the main activity. I created the time picker, the buttons, all that. And you can see there's the zoom, the design of that. I'm zooming. There's the design, like so, followed by the code I have created, along with the alarm receiver, which is the way how users can change the minute and the hour in the app after running, and then it will show the notification as usual. And this is the Android manifest. So let's further ado, let's run it. It will take for a while to wait. Okay, I see here this. I use the Pixel XL API 24 as my virtual device, so it will wait until the great build running there. Alright, it's going to load soon, just for a while. Okay, the great build is going to be finished soon. Just it will be run as soon as possible. Okay, now it's installing. Okay, it launches the app, and there we go. The launch is a success. It took a while, but it's complete already. So what I see here, where I will put let's say hello Danny. Okay, and then you can adjust the time. This is here the hour. So let's say I will put 2, and then after that you can change the minute, which is here. You can change the minute right there. So let's say I put 2:30 like that. You can change to AM or PM. You can change manually like so. Okay, after that I set it, and then it shows done. Now all I have to do is to wait for the notification to pop out. Okay, Here is the notification. Just scroll down. And there we go. The title says, "Hello Danny." This is the way how notification will come out from the app. That is all for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video.